Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. For this video I will be showing you how to use video explanations in Keynote. First, set up your diagram of whatever you want to explain. Then do a split screen with Keynote and make sure you put it to the left side of the screen so you're looking at the camera more. Select a new Keynote and then press the plus button. Then click on the camera. You should now be able to see yourself. You might need to switch the camera. Make your camera screen smaller so then you can see your diagram more clearly, and then press screen record and you're good to go. Then all you have to do is you can use your pen to label the different parts of the plant. So if I was doing this with my children, I'd say we have 4 important parts of the plant that we need to know about. First, we have the roots. These help keep the plant in the ground. We have leaves. We also have the stem. And we have petals. And then you can explain each part as well. Hope this helps. Don't forget to follow these 2 great educators who showed me just how to do this.